Hey, what's going on, my lovely people? Hope you're all blessed. Today, I got a hot topic I want to share with you, and it's about this app called, well, it's not really an app, but it's an online application. Well, it's an app. Anyway, it's called ChatGPT, and I'm telling you, this thing is taking the internet by storm. If you're a social media content creator, TikTok creator, YouTube creator, I'm telling you, this AI technology that we're having right now is gonna take the future by storm. ChatGPT, OpenAI, it's basically a machine learning engine that it answers anything, bro. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a short video to show you how it works and what it can do. Tap in, bro. You need to see this. So here we are again on the screen. You want to jump into your browser and search OpenAI.com. It takes you to this screen right here, and you want to click on Try ChatGPT. As you see, it's kind of down for a moment, but I had another screen open. It takes you here. You want to log in or sign up with your Gmail, Google account, whichever is easier for you. It works. Once you log into your Gmail account, it does ask you for some kind of verification with your phone number. After you verify your phone number, it takes you to the screen. Tell us about us, tell us about you, and that kind of stuff. Once you're finished verifying, it takes you to the main screen. And here's the main screen. It gives you a bit of instructions, a bit of warning about some of the malfunctions of this AI system because it's not perfect, right? You can also join their Discord server to get a lot more information. Now, here you have the home screen. It has a bit of examples with the main area ChatGPT, a few question examples, and the capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT. It does have a limited learning knowledge after the year 2021, right? And it's not a perfect learning system as we know it. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna give it a simple task and let me just come up with an idea of what I might want it to, what I might request from this AI. Okay? And what I'm gonna ask it for is give me 10 blog topic ideas about a healthy relationship. That sounds good. Let's try that one. All right, let's try that one and see what this AI brings up. What are the responses that it will show us? Okay, here it goes. Wow. Now we got 10 topics instantly within less than 5 minutes. We got 10 topics about healthy relationships just like that. Right? This is how powerful the app is, and it's not even online as yet. So let's go even deeper and see how knowledgeable this app is about basic knowledge, basic understanding. So I wanted to write me a blog about the first topic, and I want it to be in depth and detailed about what it's going to write about the importance of healthy relationship. All right, so let's just tap that in right now and see what comes up. Basically, let's see what comes up. I'm super pumped because this thing is crazy. I'm telling you, this thing is super crazy. I've never seen this before. I've heard about it. I've seen it in movies, I guess, but in real life, actually, you've seen like chat bots, stuff like that, Messenger. It's kind of a bot, but to have AI respond to you and actually give you feedback on answers, right? That's something out of this world. But let's see, it's going. Wow. Tell me that this isn't amazing, guys. Yo, this is crazy. Look at that. It keeps on listing a lot of different things that is required to have a healthy relationship, and it goes on to tell us a conclusion. And wow, this is also an easy way you can monetize your blog or write content, write articles, just by typing in your questions and asking this AI what you really want, and you can basically monetize everything. And that's super amazing, guys. And what you want to do, if you want to monetize it, you can basically just copy and paste. And what I'm going to show you here is a simple copy and paste of this data that we have here, this information that we have here. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to post it on a social media platform. And just like that, we just post it. It's just a blog, just giving your thoughts about the importance of a healthy relationship, what this AI has done. So here I am now on my Quora app, and what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to click on post and paste it, and boom, just like that, it's done. That's super crazy, guys. Check out my next videos if you want to learn more tips, more tricks on what's going on, new technology. If you want to earn and learn more about ways you can earn money online, hit the like button, subscribe. It also helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll really appreciate it, man. It's my first video, and I'm a bit nervous, but thank you all for watching. And yeah, that's ChatGPT. Sorry about the background noise, though.